How to change country on Shopify store. Let's dive into this super simple step-by-step guide. And don't worry, no passport required. The first step is signing up for Shopify. In the description of this video, you'll find a special sign-up link that will enable you to extend your trial for an additional 3 months. So make sure you use that link to save some money. Log in to your Shopify account. If you forgot your password, well, I hope you enjoy playing Guess That Password as much as the rest of us. Head down to the bottom left corner like a digital Indiana Jones and click on Settings. It's not treasure, but hey, it's close enough. In the Settings menu, smash that General button like it just insulted your coffee-making skills. Scroll down until you hit Store Address. Here's where your store's location hangs out, waiting for a makeover. Find that country/region drop-down and give it a click. Time to pick your new home. Moving from the US to France? La la, France. Don't forget the little stuff, like your new address, city, and postal code. Think of it like updating your online dating profile, but for your business. Hit that save button like your life depends on it, because, let's face it, who wants to redo all that work? Changing your country might change your subscription fees and your billing currency. So yeah, your wallet might feel it. Just saying. New country, new rules. Make sure you update shipping rates and taxes, unless you're cool with sending free packages to the North Pole. Some payment providers are picky about where they work. Double-check that yours doesn't ghost you after the move. Ghost. Big changes equals talk to your customers. Nobody wants to be surprised by unexpected shipping fees. Unless it's a surprise discount, then you're everyone's hero. And that's it. You just gave your Shopify store a brand new global vibe. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more OG tutorials goodness, and drop a comment if you got questions or just want to say hi. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.